Hello, I'm quickly going to show you how to edit your new and free web page using the Cyteis visual page editor. Based on the template that you selected, you will already see populated content on the page. For this video, I had chosen the template Elegant Grey. You can edit any text on the page just like you might on a word processor. I'm going to highlight and overwrite the title and subtitle. Let's edit the footer and the paragraphs too. You can make tons of changes to the page using the toolbar. These buttons allow you to cut, copy, and paste. Using these two buttons, you can undo and redo actions. These are the bold, italic, underline, and strike-through buttons. You can use the usual keyboard shortcuts too if you want. You can also add subscript or superscript using the buttons here. The Remove Format button removes any formatting from the text. These two buttons allow you to insert numbered list and bullet points. And the next two are for indenting to the left or right. For example, you can align the text using left, center, right, and justify buttons. You can also add a link to a URL or an email or an anchor. An anchor is a link to a specific part of a page. You can also modify other settings from this window. To remove a link, just click on this button. Some basic templates allow you to edit the menu manually, but the more sophisticated ones are edited through a pop-up with the bullet points used to indicate the menu's structure. Let's edit the menu by clicking on it. And don't forget to add the links. Next, let's add an image to the page. You can either enter a link to an image out there or upload a new image. Let's upload an image. You can also modify the width, height, and other attributes. You might also want to insert a table. Specify the number of rows and columns. You can also specify the height and width, or just leave it blank. Finally, select the header style. The Styles drop-down has a number of default styles that you can use, and various headings and fonts. You can change the color or the background color of the text using these buttons. Now let's save our changes by clicking on the Save and Publish button. And then view the page live by clicking on View Page. As you can see, the real page is very similar to the one in the editor. You can also edit the design and code directly if you want. Lastly, some of the more advanced buttons aren't covered in this video, so be sure to check out the tutorial page on cyteis.com/help. Cyteis allows you to take advantage of e-commerce and to sell your products through your website, so you should check out the video or tutorial on e-commerce if you want to sell online. Also, if you want to start storing dynamic data, such as the data collected from forms, you should check out the tutorials on data buckets. Both of these can be integrated into your page easily on cyteis.com